Alright. Filipino reaction. Okay, pambihirang balita to mga kaibigan. Ito na, Sandro Mulak magdamag ginahasa nila Jojo Nunes at Richard Cruz. Diyos ko po. Oh, grabe ito. Ito na mga kaibigan, ang nagtitrending ngayon, 1 milyon ang view, 1 day pa lang.
At his own volition because you texted him, God damn it you. When you lie down sa bed, doon nag-umpisa yung sexual harassment.
Sa bed?
Sino nang hila sa'yo sa bed?
Jojo Nunes po yun.
Jojo Nunes.
Sa bed?
So, nung hinila ka sa bed, ano, napahiga ka ba? Napaupo ka ba? O no?
Napahiga po ako.
Napahiga.
Nako. Tunay nga. Pinahiga, hinila sa bed bago napahiga.
Yes po.
Alright. And then, that started everything.
Start everything.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ay, alam na.
I don't wanna go into details po, Your Honor.
Yeah, no, I'm just asking.
Okay lang, Sandro.
You were sexually harassed. Correct?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Na, ito. Sandro Mulak magdamag ginahasa nila Jojo Nunes at Richard Cruz. Diyos ko po.
You deny?
Nako.
Yes po, Your Honor, we deny allegations.
Nako, deny.
Ano ginawa niyo sa bata?
Wala po kami ginawang masama kay Sandro, Your Honor.
Ano nga ginawa niyo?
Yung po umamin, ano?
Ano nandun siya?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Really?
Nagkwentuhan.
Really?
We socialized, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Anong pinagkwentuhan ninyo? Sige, interesado ako. Ano pinagkwentuhan ninyo?
Marami po, like, ang simula po, ang mga
Nila sa higaan bago nagkwentuhan lang. Wedding
napag-usapan po namin sa simula yung sa gala, nadapa po si Hipon, tapos and then yung mga after parties, mga ganun po. Napagkwentuhan po namin yung gala, yung mga events na nangyari during the gala, tapos and then, we were drinking, socializing.
Oh, Sandro.
Listening to some music.
Sandro, dali lang. Nakapagkwentuhan daw sila sa iyo.
Nakipagkwentuhan po yung una. Pinakilala po ako kay Richard Gode. Pinakilala po ako na si Sandro to. Magaling na artista to. Kinuha ko na to dati sa Agimat ng Agila. Magaling na bata na kontrabida to.
Agimat ng Agila, si
Sandro, anak ko
Bilya.
ninyo. Ito po yung sabi. Ito po yung sabi niya. Yun lang po yung napag-usapan.
Eh, yung kinikwento ng...
Galit.
Yung kinikwento ni Mr. Nones ngayon, yung ba pinagkwentuhan ninyo?
Hindi po totoo, Your Honor.
Nako.
Mr. Nones.
These are allegations po, Your Honor, kasi we were just socializing po. In fact po, during the entire time, nakakapag-text freely po si Sandro.
Grabe ito.
He was texting freely, so
Sandro Mulak magdamag ginahasa ni Jojo Nunes. Ay, magdamagan.
Wala anything that
Wala ka nang umusap power mo, no?
to these allegations, Your Honor.
Can you repeat it again?
We deny po the allegations kasi po
Ibig sabihin, pinatawag mo yung bata para makapagkwentuhan lang.
hindi ko po siya tinatawag, Your Honor.
Eh, kung nga nag-text eh.
Yeah, umakyat po siya on his own volition at sinabi niya po na dadaan.
At his own volition because you texted him, God damn it you.
Your Honor, with all due respect po, he said po, akyat po siya sa, dadaan po siya sa gate.
Ruben Padilla,
Because you
nagsalita.
texted him. You were the first one who texted him. Diba, he did not deny it.
Yes, Your Honor. But
You
there was no direct
you were
invitation.
luring Sandro to go to your room.
There was no luring involved, Your Honor. There was no direct invitation from me.
Eh, ano klaseng tawag yun? You were inviting him.
It was just a conversation. Every text, Your Honor, is in response to
Ang hirap
another
sa'yo,
text,
ang dami
Your
mo nang
Honor.
dinilit na messages. Hindi lang naman si Sandro ang tinetext mo eh.
Nako, marami rin.
Ang dami mo pang mga artistang tinetext eh.
Nako, ibig sabihin marami rin binihagasa itong ibang artista. Diyos mio, Marimar.
Baka makachamba ka eh.
Nako, komersyal. Ayan mga kaibigan ha, Sandro Marcos. Magdamag ginahasa ni Jojo Nunes. Ayon sa balita. Komersyal! Ba naman itong komersyal nito? Dalawa-dalawa pa, nakaka-excite. Okay, continue. Komersyal mula kay
Oh
Sandro.
no, you tell me the truth. we're here to ferret out the truth. The whole truth and
Bating that the truth.
nothing but the truth. Okay? Because if you will continue to lie here before this committee, I have no other choice. I have no other alternative but to cite you in contempt.
I'm not lying po, Your Honor.
Did you harass him?
No po, Your
Sexually
Honor.
harassed?
No po, Your Honor.
Really? Huh?
Really? Pwede nga.
Really? Stop, you give advice.
Bagay, wala namang kriminal na naamin. Yung mga sa batang bilibid, sa mga bilibid, mga kaibigan, tanongin mo, po sabihin nila wala silang kasalanan. Parang
Your Honor, these are the very same issues being investigated by the DOJ right now. So, if I keep further answering questions regarding the details, this could incriminate us and could affect our case.
Bulol-bulol na, nabubulol-bulol na si Jojo Nones, ah.
No, I'm just asking you practical questions
Yeah,
here.
practical question.
It's just answerable by yes or no.
Yes or no, okay.
Why did you delete your messages?
Siyempre,
Kung wala ka talaga tinatago.
Yes, Your Honor, na-mention ko na po yun sa previous hearing at sa executive session, Your Honor. Further answering details regarding the case, Your Honor, will violate our right to self-incrimination, Your Honor. And we would like to invoke our right and answer those allegations. We can even provide you with our counter affidavit, Your Honor, once we receive the complaint from the DOJ. But we would like to be given the chance to answer them at a proper forum and know the allegations as well, Your Honor.
Grabe talaga ito nangyari kay Sandro Marcos. Sandro Mulak. Magdamag ginahasa. Ay! Grabe!
Totoo ba?
Yan.
Based on my investigation, sinabi sa'yo, Sandro, ni Jojo Nones, what stays here, what happened here stays here.
Taste mo. Taste
Kung
mo.
ano nangyari sa kwarto,
Ano daw?
mananatili sa kwarto lang.
Yes po.
Sino nagsabi nun?
Si Jojo Nones po, Your Honor.
Okay. Si Jojo Nones ang mas agresibo. Pardon my word. Pardon my term.
Parehas po sila, Your Honor.
Parehas silang ano?
Uhaw na uhaw.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Uhaw na uhaw sa'yo.
So kasi dito sa investigation ko,
Pinagtulungan.
binasa ko rin nung nakaraan.
Nakahiga, pinagtulungan ng dalawa. Skandal, ano?
There was really sexual assault. Tinanggal mo yung t-shirt ni Sandro, di ba? Mr. Nones.
Tanggal.
No po, Your Honor.
Tinanggal mo yung t-shirt.
No po, Your Honor. Hindi po to.
Ha?
No po, Your Honor. Hindi po to.
Tinanggal ba t-shirt mo, Sandro?
Sandro, sumagot ka.
Si Richard po yung nagtanggal. Polo po yung tinanggal, hindi po t-shirt, Your Honor.
Naku, polo.
Pero,
Richard.
Your Honor,
Your Honor, hindi po totoo yun.
Nako, tumanggi rin. Minura.
Hindi na kayo naawa sa bata? Ha?
Natanggi pa.
Tapos lahat ng kababuyan ginawa niyo sa bata, puta.
Alam ni Jingo yan. Artista ito eh.
Your Honor, with all due respect, please don't judge us. Hindi pa po kami convicted sa
Dumali
case.
ka.
The
No, but
case
you're
has
lying.
been filed po.
Lying kayo.
We are not lying,
not
po,
judging
Your
you,
Honor.
you're lying.
We're also just defending our side, Your Honor. It is our constitutional right to defend our right, Your Honor. So we are not being disrespectful at all. We're not lying. We're just
Ang gigigil si Jingo Estrada, no?
Okay.
Alam niya eh.
What was the action that GMA 7? What was the action of GMA 7 with regard
Kasi nga ginagaya or matagal ng kalakaran.
to the complaint of Sandro?
Wala lang.
we were sent a notice to explain and a supplemental notice to explain, and then we were put on preventive suspension, Your Honor.
Ay, binaboy nila si Sandro eh, artista. Ngayon, Yari kayo ngayon. Alright, mga kaibigan, napakahaba nito ha. Hanggang dito na lang, 10 minutes lang aking pagreaksyon. Na ito na nga, Sandro Mulak magdamag ginaasa nila Jojo John Nones at Richard Cruz. Trending na trending ngayon. Bahala na kayo. Ano masasabi nyo dito kay Jojo Jones at Richard Cruz na mukhang talagang nagsisinungaling, parang sila, dalawa, totally. Kawawa naman. Okay, si Sandro Mulak. Alright, subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.